Nasdaq 100 continued its impressive bull run in the month of July also. We have discussed in our month beginning analysis for July that Nasdaq 100 to fly high. That was precisely the title. Also, we have discussed that beyond 15,280, we are going to look at 16,000 levels. It has gone close to 15,930 before closing the month at 15,740 levels. So, what to expect next month? Is it going to continue with the bullish move, achieve all-time high levels from here, or we can see a possible retracement as it is almost seen now 33% rise in next last 4 to 5 months. How to make the most out of which position you should take not only next week but also in the month of August, which levels you should take care of. We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy to watch out for. Those who are new to the channel, let me also share that I provide my twice a day analysis and targets and reviews for Nasdaq 100, first with the Europe and Asia session and next with the US session. These two analysis definitely helps you in your day trading decisions. To watch that also, and hence press the bell icon. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. That's also great motivation for everyone. So before leaving the video, just press the like button. With that, let's start. Now, see, on the daily charts first, you will find 13,000 was the bottom. Since here it is given a breakout, we have discussed it several times that it is consolidated, it will give a breakout, and since then we have seen a massive and impressive bull run. If you look at the larger movement of Tech 100 since then, you will find top of the channel, it has tried to breach the channel, then the bottom of the channel, then the top, then the bottom. And if you look at the last few sessions, you will find it has indeed got a great support at 15,400 levels, and with the support at 15,400 we have seen a rise. Now a flat bottom is always suggestive of a bullish momentum. You can see this flat bottom here, since then good bullish momentum, a flat bottom, and since then a good bullish momentum. Next thing to observe is the resistance it is getting at 15,800, couple of candles here and couple of candles here, and hence if you see Nasdaq 100 trading above 15,800, you can expect that the bull run is going to continue. First, we are going to look at the near term double top levels at 5930, and beyond that sky is the limit. It is going to race past 16,200 levels in the mostly, if it's not next week, then in the complete month it may try to trade and achieve those levels. That is the first part. Also, if you look at the bearishness is only below 15,400 levels, but where to go short for the next week specifically, you can stay short, you can sell here at, if you see it trading below 15,600. However, remember 15,500 is a very good support, and 15,400 the ultimate support here. In between this, there are levels which I will share on the daily analysis. Right now I am giving you the larger levels here. Now coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, see, at this point I have told you that it has formed triple bottom. At this point it has breached past this you can say bearish channel, and see what an impressive bull run. This is the power of analysis here. Now also, if you look at, since then it has been trading with the support from the bottom of this channel, and the highs are also almost aligned. Now if you look at, first of all, it has created an extremely good support at 15,000 and 14,800, 900 levels. Now also, if you look at, see, this is the double bottom. So see, what Tech 100 is doing is, it is creating a stronger basis or steps for it to continue rising. It has created steps for it to continue with the bullish momentum. So yes, it is still trying to stay bullish. It has to break past each and every steps here, which are going to remain a stronger support for it for any downward move. Now top of the channel is far above on the weekly charts, that is at around 16,500 levels. If you look at last week's movement, lower highs, lower lows are seen. Now see, the lows here were not that steep here, suggesting that there is a good support from the downside, as well as the resistance here at 15,800 is extremely good. So once you see it trading above 15,820, we can expect 15,930, and beyond that we are going to look at 16,100, 200 zone in the this week itself, and 16,500 in the coming few sessions. Now see, this was the previous highs, and if you look at the formation, you will find 16,400 and 600 zone extremely important and extremely stronger resistance zone. Now possibly there is a possibility for it to form a double top here, and then, because see, US indices are the only ones across major indices, across major economies, which are yet to achieve the highs which every index has seen post COVID, be it Japan, be it India, be it uh, Europe, that is Germany or UK. Every index has post COVID now achieved higher highs, fresh highs, while US indices are still lagging, and hence it still has lot much to catch up on the upside. Now, yes, on the weekly charts, there is still bullish momentum. Coming to the monthly. On the monthly charts, I have only one an observation here, and it's an apprehension that see the candle size here getting diminished with every movement here. Also from 12,000 to 16,000, this is a 33% rise in last 4 to 5 months. Impressive run here. And see the candle size diminishing suggests that now the bulls are certainly appearing to be exhausted. Hence, even if it tries to rise in the beginning of the month, it can try to achieve higher highs or maybe double top. It can try to go close to that, but then a pullback is certain here. A pullback is certain. It can possibly be the reversal signal this month, that is the month of August, may possibly the reversal signal for next couple of months where it could try to retrace a little on the downside. This is my expectation. Yes, there should be a little retracement before it resumes the bull run. However, it may try to achieve the double top levels here. That is first expectation. Now look, if you look at the complete bull run for last 6 to 8 months, you will find, see, the complete movement is traded in this narrow channel, and this is a bullish channel. This is precisely the median here. The median here now suggests that 15,200 to 15,400 zone is to be breached, and then 14,800 to be breached in order to confirm a reversal. This zone is going to stay important. On the upside, 16,300 and 16,400 zone is going to remain important. This is not only the near term high levels, but also you can find out these were the resistance levels here. All the three candles closing almost below 16,500 400 levels, and hence these levels are achievable. These levels are certainly going to remain great resistance. So I will definitely watch out for, even if it continues with the bull run here, possibly it can try to achieve at max double top, and from there a reversal is must. A reversal is must, a retracement is must in this one. That is possibly what we can expect, and also a sideways movement cannot be denied, where it can give you higher highs, higher lows, continuing the bull run, creating a step for the next month also. This is one probability. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators suggest? On the monthly charts, you can find out moving averages have now started to look upward. This is a bullish sign. The prices are too much divergent from the moving average. It will try to wait for next couple of months for the moving average to come till towards 14,000 and then retrace till towards those levels. Yes, it is still bullish. All the moving averages trading one over other. Good sign for bulls. Monthly stochastic has come back to overbought levels, but see, historically Nasdaq 100 trades with such overbought levels for multiple months. Hence, there is nothing new. It can continue here also. But the most important part is the crossover in MACD and the divergence which we are seeing. Now, this crossover in MACD is coming after almost 10 to 15 years at these levels. You can see this. It has achieved these levels after almost 10 to 15 years and now trading with divergence, and this suggests that it can continue for a little while on the upside. Even if it tries to retrace, it is still bullish. Even if it tries to retrace a little lower, maybe till 14,000 levels in the next few months, it is still going to remain bullish, and we can possibly expect higher highs for Nasdaq 100 in next few months. All-time high levels will be definitely seen for Nasdaq 100 in next few months. That is my expectation. RSI rising here. Coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, the moving average is crossed over here, trading with divergence since then, trading bullish. The prices are too much divergent from the moving average. This calls for a probable conversion. But look at this. This crossover has happened after multiple weeks. You can see this previous crossover was in the early 2022, and now it has happened after multiple weeks. And see, last time when this bullish crossover has happened, it was in I will say, oh, that is far back. Since then, it was still trading bullish, continue in the bullish channel. See, this was the crossover in 2009-10 financial crisis. Since then, I've never seen all the three moving averages crossing over here, and it is scaled to extreme highs before looking forward to this crossover. So this is a good sign for the bulls to continue with the bullish momentum. Next is all the three trading with divergence. The support levels are far below at 14, 200, 300 levels, and possibly it would wait or trade sideways till the time moving averages come up and then retest till there. Stochastic was overbought, and after a couple of weeks now, after a few weeks now, it is started to look downwards. So possibly a little retracement cannot be denied. The MACD is trading with extreme divergence, extreme bullishness, and at extremely higher levels. See, these levels were not achieved, in fact, post-COVID levels, and hence this suggests extreme bullishness, extremely overbought levels, and hence there should be a little conversion and a crossover or a retracement on the downside. Now, what does this mean? This could be first wave or bullish wave here. It could retest till towards this level. Even if it has to stay bullish, it could try to retest till towards those levels. And hence, for next few weeks, we have to absolutely remain alert. The RSI is also overbought on the weekly charts, which possibly calls for a little retracement. It is not that Nasdaq 100 cannot stay overbought, but yes, this has been overstretched. This calls for a little retracement. Coming to the daily. Now see why 15400 was important. We have discussed in our daily analysis, price is divergent from the moving average. Moving average climbing to 15400 and the price is retracing till 15400, taking the support. It is now looking upwards, trying to trade bullish on the daily charts. Yes, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards, good sign for the bulls. Stochastic, which is went till towards oversold levels, have retraced. The MACD has also, see, this is first wave, this is now trying to converge. I will wait for a crossover, and if it continues on the upside, double top levels cannot be denied. However, on the downside, remember, there is still lot much of a scope for it to continue with the bearish momentum. If you look at RSI, this is also now starting to look upwards. So now broadly we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators in details, and time for me to define the trading levels and strategies such that you can trade profitably not only for next week but the complete month of August. This will fairly give you an idea on what to expect and at what levels and how you should trade. Before we I do have a couple of offerings for you which definitely will help you become a professional and independent trader. One is my mentorship batch. Definitely, the tools, techniques, and strategies taught in the mentorship batch will help you find, identify trends, identify probable opportunities, and take profitable trades with more confidence. Do not miss this opportunity. Join my 24th mentorship batch starting first week of August. Only limited seats are available. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Second is my Signals channel. You can be part of Signals channel and definitely try to benefit out of the expertise which we carry in markets. Reach out again on the same IDs for more details. With that, let's start. Now see, next week you can definitely try to buy a little. However, there are a couple of resistances here. You can buy at 780, but then 15,825 levels you should watch out for. Only and only if it comes out of this zone. This is a complete zone. 15,800 is also a minor resistance. We have seen it earlier. And if Nasdaq 100 trades beyond this, just stay long. We are going to look at 15,930 levels, the double top levels there. And this time, in fact, it will breach, or it should try to breach the psychological levels and important resistance levels at 16,000 and probably march till towards 16,043. If it stays above 16,043, further movement can be expected. I will expect it to hit 16,100, 16,220, and then 16,400. Now 16,400, 16,500 in the month of August, if it continues to stay bullish from here, are achievable levels. But at the same time, even if it tries to achieve, a pullback is a must, is a certain, is a surety. First is whether it could achieve the lows first and then show a pullback, or it is continuing with the rise there, achieve the highs and then show a pullback. Either ways, it has to show a pullback. That is very, very clear. Now, only thing is at what levels. yes, it is closed the week at a bullish note last week, and hence possibly it could carry forward the bullish momentum, achieve slightly higher levels at 16,100, 200 this week, and then probably retrace from there. Now, how far? Hence, first point is any point of time it is possible that it could reverse, and hence you should be cautious till 16,500. The chances of a reversal will exist very, very high. Hence, you can initiate a short entry at any of those levels also. This is also one way to profit. Next way to sell here, I will recommend you to sell here at 15,680, below which I will expect 15,615, and then 15,540, 15,500. Now this is, here is got, it has got the maximum support, and then 15,400 is the ultimate support. If it stays below 15,400, stay short. We are going to look at 15,200, 14,920, 14,800, and then below that 14,600 is the ultimate support here. 14,600 is definitely an ultimate support. Below that also it can probably crash for 14,200 or 14,000 levels. Anything is possible. These are market. If it can rise 33% in 4 to 5 months, it can retrace 10% in a single month. This is also possible. Single month, 1,500 points, 1,600 points from the current levels. Yes, it can do it in a single month. You have to be careful, you have to be cautious, you have to be alert. I don't expect that though it is going to do so, but then a swing is must, a retracement is must. These two things I can assure, and hence whatever higher levels it achieves, there should be a pullback. That is what I can assure you. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, be cautious till 16,500. Be alert for this month at least. Yes, it is still bullish in the near term, but then we have to wait for the confirmation on the rise. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Watch out the daily analysis. Definitely, it will be of great. It will add great value to your day trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.